Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to teach you a basic 4-strand braid. The skills needed for this style are a Dutch braid and a French braid. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin by taking a small section of hair and splitting it into 4 equal sections. Notice how my fingers are positioned. We have the middle and pointer finger holding strand 1, pointer finger and thumb holding strand 2, pointer and thumb holding strand 3, and the middle and pointer finger holding strand 4. We're going to turn our wrist over to bring strand 1 over strand 2 and grab strand 1 with your pincher fingers. Bring your pointer finger around to hold the strand like scissors, and grab the next strand over. Ready your pincher fingers to grab the next strand. And grab strand 3 using your other pincher fingers to bring strand 1 under. You will use your middle finger and ring finger to hold the final strand, using the other hand to pull strand 1 over. Bringing your pointer finger around, use your pointer and middle finger to bring the strand over. Use your pincher fingers to grab the strand underneath and release the strand into your other hand. Let's watch it one more time. Using a small section of hair, as I've begun with, helps you get comfortable holding 4 strands if you have no experience. So it helps as you learn a new braid to just use a small section of hair that you can see in front of your face as you try it. If you're confused about how to make a French braid and a Dutch braid, I recommend checking out my videos on how to make a basic French braid and a basic Dutch braid. Ready your pincher fingers to catch the first strand and start the process again. I'm going to use a rubber ponytail to tie up the end of my braid. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out my other videos for more styles and braid inspiration on Instagram.